We're here to get rid of all the drugs, violence, and racism that's been going on in our community. Sitting here by my window, just looking out. Ain't got nothing to do, so I take my pody out. I roll one, stick the rest under my bed. Then my mom knocked on my door and I heard what she said. She said, I smelled that, but why you doing that? Put it out, go to school, be the grade that. You know you can't be doing this around my house. They're out there watching you like they're the cat and you're the mouse. I said, I know what I'm doing, Mom, don't worry about it. So I put my clothes on and I hurry about it. That killed my mood and buried my heart. So when I got to school, I went to the sky. They figured out what was wrong with me, arrested me. I only got sent to that, luckily. They said next time you get in 21 days. I said forget that, leave it as my old way. Telling me to stop smoking weed. I should've listened to them when I was in the lead. Instead, I was fighting every black kid I seen. They spending time in a place called JDC for smoking that green. So I had to turn my life around. So I spread the word about how my life is now. No more drugs, violence, and racism. I'm getting out this life like a felon from prison. Fighting is what I used to do to be cool, but it ain't cool when you can't even go to school. I used to fight people just for the heck of it. Now I'm sitting in my bed thinking what life is meant to be when you can't even get a good degree. Sitting here thinking about what I'm going to be. I can't even get a job, even if I wanted to. I promise you this isn't the life I wanted to go through. I've had scars on my face since I was 13. Now I can't even join my high school sports team. All because I thought it was cool to fight my friends. Now I'm kicked out of school with nobody at my defense. I'm just sitting in my house, nothing to do. All because I thought it was cool getting kicked out of school. If I could just go back and take my life, I bet you I would. Now that I see my life as it is, I wish that I could. Telling me to stop smoking weed instead of listening to them when I was in the lead. Instead, I was fighting every black kid I seen and spending time in the place called JDC for smoking that green. So I had to turn my life around. So I just the word about how my life is now. No more drugs, violence, and racism. I'm getting out this life like a felon from prison. Being racist is what I used to do. Black and Spanish too. I used to hate them all, wanting them to fall. Just be under the ground, man, just take them all. I didn't want to it because I used to feel thinking that's the end of life with me. But I was there in those weird days. I wish I could just take back from my old ways. Now I realize that all my lives that I see tears dropping black guys. I think you should want to be an unracist kind of guy like me. I'm changing my ways, doing my thing without a change. It's because racism ain't even on my brain. I'm just sitting in the car, driving down the road, and when I turn around, I see a black person by a pole. He had a sign sitting right beside it, so I rolled up and asked him to recite it. He said he can't even read. He said someone did it for him, but he said he had these kids sitting and waiting for him. So I couldn't just sit there and let that happen. But last year, I would've busted a cat. But it's not like this. This is this year, my life has changed. My whole attitude is rearranged. So I asked him, what do you need? What do you need? I said, what do you need? Not as racist like I used to be. And for the first time in my life, I'm seeing what this life is like. Telling me to stop smoking weed. I should have listened to them when I was in the lead. Instead, I was fighting every black kid I seen. Spending time in the place called JDC for smoking that green. So I had to turn my life around. Heck of it. God first the word about how my life is now. No more drugs, violence, and racism. I'm getting out this life like a felon from prison. Should've listened to him.